Wow.
Well, Cynni, Chris, here we are, Parc y Scarlets.
Beautiful.
But it's not about the rugby today, it's about the Welsh beef.
Yes.
But like the Scarlets, it's Welsh, it's the best, and it's true to Wales.
It is the best. Let's feed the players, let's give them some Welsh beef fuel.
So I'm Chris Flamebaster from Parc y Cymru, and we've been launching our partnership with the Scarlets here today, and part of that is producing this guide, this little booklet, which is a guide to eating healthily with Welsh lamb and Welsh beef, but also some pointers on keeping fit and staying healthy. And we've been very fortunate to be joined by a few of the players here today, and they've had the big challenge of enjoying one of Chris Roberts' beef sandwiches.
Welsh beef is important to me as a professional athlete because it's sustainable. Bred here, local to Llanelli, and both to myself and Llandovery, coming from a farming background. We obviously raise cattle on the farm, and it's probably something quite close to my heart and something very sustainable and very green to eat.
So obviously Scarlets have created this book alongside HCC. It contains a lot of good recipes and stuff like that to go with your beef.
You know, they're easy to follow, and you know, it's a healthy food plan, and there's also some fitness, health and well-being stuff. So you know, this booklet here is perfect to help you stay in shape or get in shape and enjoy good quality food.
So I'm Chris Flamebaster Roberts, here today launching the booklet, Parc y Scarlets, with the barbecue, phenomenal Welsh beef, the best beef in the world. Yeah, I'm cooking for some of the players, looking forward. So today I'm making a little healthy steak sandwich, using Welsh beef, obviously going for sirloin, and this beef's lived an amazing life. Grass-fed all of his life, breathing in the beautiful Welsh air, eating beautiful Welsh grass. It's just the best beef in the world. And the recipe today, steak sandwich, so cooking the sirloin over the coals and making a little pimped up salsa with peppers, tomatoes, chilies, garlic, cucumber. Yeah, and gonna use some of the bone marrow instead of butter, keeping it healthy. Yeah, so healthy steak sandwich, flavour packed. Just turbocharge your veg, give them a tar. Salsa salad doesn't have to be boring.
I've rolled my sleeves up for this thing.
Iechyd da, boys?
Iechyd.
Iechyd da.
Iechyd da.
Dripping. Sorry if I'm ruining your new pitch.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry. Yeah, we've got a nice little book put together by the Scarlets and Parc y Cymru with a few nice recipes for beef and lamb, both raised here in Wales, and no, it's definitely worth the read.